guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Surmi World. So today we are going to make a kataif, which is Arabian dish. I'm sure that you all will love my recipes. If you like my recipes, please subscribe, click the bell icon, then only you will get the notification of my videos. And don't forget to comment and share it to your friends and families. So okay, let's go to the recipe. So for that I take here one bowl and putting 1.5 cup of flour. Add 1/4 cup of semolina, 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. Put 1 tablespoon of sugar and some baking powder. I'm taking here 2 teaspoons. A pinch of salt, and we have to mix all our dry ingredients very well. Now take a blender and add our dry ingredients into that. Before that you have to sieve our dry ingredients. Now we can put some water, 2 cup of water. Then grind it in blender. So I grind it very well and it's be very loose batter. We need like this loose batter. Not should be like very thick. So this consistency we need. Now we have to close our batter till 30 minutes. Now 30 minutes are left. It be very nice batter and like little bit thicky it's be. So this consistency we need. So here I take a very flat pan for making pancakes. So I'm adding some quantity of batter. So we should not put more quantity because we are making for kataif. It should be little bit small pancakes. Not should be very big. So it started to come some little bit hole on the top of pancake. And one more thing is there, we should not flip the pancake. So our pancake is ready here. Let's serve into a plate. Now I am making all the pancakes like before. So it's be very soft and very nice, guys. See the back side. So like that we should need, the backside should be very brownish color. So now like that only we have to make all the pancakes. After making our all pancakes, we have to put in one tray and cover it with a cloth. Otherwise our pancakes hot will gone. So I am covering like that. So our all pancakes are ready here. Now let's go to the second step. So our inside filling is ready here. How I make means take a blender and put some fresh cream into that and some sugar and cheese. So our filling is ready here. This is very easy to make, guys. So yeah, let's fill up. I'm putting some quantity of cream. If you need more quantity, you can take more quantity. So okay, let's fold up, cover up our edges of pancake. This is very easy to cover up, guys. No need of any paste or anything, etc. So I cover it one here. Now we can cover all of the pancake like that only. And this is very easy. You must try this, guys. And this is very tasty to make and it is very yummy, guys. And you know, if the hot of pancake will gone, it will not be stick when we are covering the edges. So that's why we are putting cloths over all. So our kataif is almost ready here but not full. Now let's go to the third step. So here we have to make a sugar syrup. For that I take here 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Then mix it well. Now we can add 2 or 3 drops of lemon and mix it well. Then leave to boil. So our sugar syrup is ready here. Okay, we are going to fry our kataif now. Now our kataif is almost backside be brownish color. So we can flip that. Our kataif is ready here. Let's serve into a plate. Like that, I am frying all our kataif, and our kataif is very crispy to see, guys, and it will be very tasty, guys. I'm saying more times, I don't know why, because it's that much taste, guys. You must try this. And one more thing is there, we have to leave our sugar syrup for sometimes, because it should be cooled down. Then only we have to put our kataif into that. Now I am covering our kataif. So those who need more sugar, they can put like 30 seconds in sugar syrup. So we don't need that much sugar, so that's why we are putting some time. So our all kataif is ready here. So for decoration, I am putting some pista, which is grenade blender. Okay, so it's be very nice to see, and this is very tasty, guys. Our kataif is ready here. Super cool and very crispy and very tasty, guys. You must try this. If you like my video, please comment, subscribe, click the bell icon, then only you will get the notification. And don't forget to like and share to your friends and families. So okay, bye bye. See you on another recipe.